In this session, we'll learn how to enable employee self-service and make your portal more powerful. Step 1. Enable employee self-service. To enable employee self-service, go to Setup, select Help Center, and navigate to the Manage Portal page. Here, simply enable the employee self-service option. Once enabled, your portal is ready to use. Step 2. Activate Trainer Central integration. Next, go to the Configuration page and activate the Trainer Central integration. This empowers employees with interactive courses and learning resources right inside the portal. Step 3. Manage modules. Finally, in the Manage Module section, choose the modules you want your employees to access within the Employee Self-Service portal. This gives you complete control over what features and tools they can use. And that's it. With Employee Self-Service enabled and Trainer Central integrated, you're creating a smarter, more engaging experience for your team. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.